In this video, I want to show you how you can use Canva to make your course cards and course banners with Canvas. So here I am on my dashboard, and you can either just type Google Classroom or you can select Create a Design here and search for Google Classroom header. I find that this shape is just the perfect pre-made size ready to go. So you can start with any of the templates here, have fun browsing through all of those. Or I was looking earlier and I found that I liked this particular template. I like this template. It's super simple. We can swap out the text just by clicking on it and typing in our own text. Let's say the name of my course is Best Practices for Creating E-Learning Experiences. All right. Click in the gray area to kind of deselect that. I can grab the text box and move it wherever I want. I see back here that I have kind of this subline that I can just click and delete to get rid of. Bring this back up. It's too big for my blue box that I have right here, so I can grab these guidelines that are here in the corners and just move them in. There we go. Grab and move those in. What I love about Canva is it gives you these purple guidelines to tell you when you're centered in the middle of your image. So I'll use that to drop it. And then let's say that this imagery back here just wasn't what I was looking for. So I can click on the background image and delete, delete, delete. And I'm going to go to Photos here and search for more education type background. So it's just using keywords. I'm looking for school, I'm looking for a background, I'm looking for online, and see what comes up. Again, scrolling through your choices. Let's say that I like this one. It has a little bit of school, it has a little bit of laptops. To adjust that image, I can drag here and pull it down. Done. Now I see that there's a little bit of clash between my blue background and this color here. So I can click on this object, and here on the left, I can change the color. Purple, deep purple, too bright. Let's go back to that purple. That'll work for this example. And to make that align, I can change that border to that color too. So that's how you adjust your colors. And the final thing is maybe just to make your image pop a little bit, we can animate. You have a choice to animate your entire page, and two options that I like are breathe. You see I'm hovering over breathe right here and my entire image kind of grows. And one of my favorites is also pop. That's pop. If you want to just animate the text, then click on the text and then do animate, and you have another set of options for text animations. And here, one of my favorites is shift, and I also like stomp. But have fun just exploring all of these. All right, two ways that you can download. Again, you can just download as a simple PNG. If you want to use a static image, how do you say the name? I'm going to call it Best Practices Course Banner. Now I'm going to download it as a PNG because it takes that name when I download it. All right. I can see here in the bottom right hand corner that it's downloading, and it's here in my downloads folder. I can go to my Canvas course, place my cursor wherever I want my image to go, select image, upload image, drag and drop it. Usage rights. I have obtained permission to use this file since I have a Canva Pro account. Submit. All right, let's give that a save and see how it looks. Looks very nice on top of my course. Let's edit again. And we were talking about the different animations you could use if you wanted to save those in your final presentation. Then you would download as a GIF. Now, one thing to note is this timer right here tells you how a GIF means your image is going to loop. So if you want it, I don't want it flashing at people every 5 seconds. I want something more subtle. So I'll boost it up to maybe 20 seconds or so. Now I'll download it as a GIF. All right, that has downloaded. We can go back to our course and add it the exact same way. I'm going to get rid of my PNG, my static image, go back to upload, drag and drop my GIF now. Same permissions, I have obtained permission and submit. Give it a second to upload. And let me save it. All right, you are ready to start building out the rest of your course. Now, if this was my home page and I wanted to use this same theme as the course card, right now I'm just playing around in my sandbox and I have a picture of sushi, but if I wanted that same card for my course, Canva makes that super easy to resize it. I'm going to choose resize here. And that perfect size is actually the YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to type in YouTube thumbnail here. Select YouTube thumbnail, make a copy of this and resize it so you don't change your original. All right, now we notice that we have a small square here now. So I'm just going to drag my cursor over all of this and just expand it. All right, and I'm going to save this best practices course card now instead of banner so I know the difference. All right, you can do it as a PNG or it can be a GIF as well. So I'm going to download that and give that a second. All right, it has finished downloading. Let's go to our dashboard. I'm going to go back into that course. Settings. Click these 3 dots right here, remove image, choose image, drag and drop, and save, update course details. Now you have a course card that is going to match with the home page that you are building. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.